In this tutorial, we will take a look at how you can skip items in the encoding queue in Adobe Media Encoder. So if you want to skip an item in your encoding queue while you're encoding, you can do one of the following. You can select the item you want to skip, and then you can go to Edit, Skip Selection, or you can right-click that item, and here you say Skip Selection. Those are two options you have to skip an encoding queue item. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this video. Be sure to press the thumbs up button if you did. Press that subscribe button to see more of my videos. I have new ones going live every week. And for now, thank you for watching my video. Stay creative, and I hope to see you in the next one.